Hi, good day. This is Alex on Internet Real Secret. In this DV videos, this is about Magnums. Magnums basically Magnum is a store builder app, right, which is able to actually build a store and with the blog also, and together this you can actually build a store for physical product. For this digital product or for any licensed product, right? Okay, so that's basically the idea behind this Magnums, right? Okay, just quickly look at this member area. When you log into Magnums, this is a main dashboard, right? Whereby you can actually do a lot of things here, right? Okay, first thing first, on the left hand side, you can see there are a lot of function feature here, right? And first thing is a dashboard. This is about you can see the in terms of what is the orders pending, orders in processing, and order completed, and what are the total posts have been posted to this your store under this because you can the store can actually have a blog post here whereby you can actually post this do a posting on the store and total customer and how many total product have been loaded, new customer and total customer and total sales, and all these numbers or statistics can be seen from the dashboard, right? Also, they will show the popular product here, decent orders and the decent product. So this total sale in the last 30 days and things like that, right? Okay, let's quickly go through here. You can get check the order, okay, pending order, processing order, the status of the order, right? Okay, right, declare order and the product. The product itself, you can add new product, okay, physical, you can add physical or digital product. Just click on the physical product. You can key in the product names, SKUs, categories of the product, right? And you can also upload the image. This is a more that is a way you can actually upload create a product, right? Okay, right? So that is basically what it did. Let's go back here and can have a digital product also, right? This is talking about things like electronic, fashion and beauty, things like that. Yeah. Okay, you can enter the product child's category, and this is more a product by a return policy or all those kind of thing, right? Okay, so this basically for e-com store. Magnum is designed for the e-com store, right? Okay, just go back here. Okay, you can actually have a licensed product. Okay, licensed product you can have also as usual you can and have the license key, right? Add more few things like her number of license key and the buy and return policy, YouTube video, yeah. Product also can be seen here also. So this basically is where you can load the product, also product catalog, right? So you can set up the product catalog, affiliate product, okay? So we can actually just now this is more on the physical product, okay? And then you can actually add the affiliate product also, right? You can enter the product name, SKUs, affiliate link also, right? So you can have a ClickBanks or JV Juice or Wonders Plus affiliate link here also in the category or this kind of thing can be set up here also. Furthermore, we have a social share link. You can share to 99 this social channel. Example, you click on one of this, right? Yeah, so they can actually go like this to this is a website, okay? They can actually go like this to the your Facebook posting, right? Okay, customer, you can actually maintain the list of the customer who actually bought the product from you, right? Okay, you can actually send the email. Okay, I think this is more the email sender. No, this is a message sender, and you can actually edit. Okay, edit customer also, right? And also you can have withdraw. Also, it's a customer's default image also, right? Can be also be set up here. When you have the vendor for the product, you can also keep the list of the vendor here and the vendor description, right? Okay, and all this kind of window default image. So all this is actually maintaining a list of vendor for your this physical product, and also vendor verification, things like that. And we can manage the category, main categories, right? Okay, different, you can create different category for the product you are selling, digital, or it could be electronic, portable, personal, so all the thing can be at the category here, right? Okay, but product upload, you can actually don't have to key in the product one by one. You can actually and there's a sample, a sample CSV file. You can actually prepare your CSV file for your bulk product upload, also product discussion. Product review, there's a product review. You can actually build in the product review with a comment, and also you can allow the product, meaning you can actually review the product also, right? And you put up the comment inside there, the store itself, and you can set the coupons for discount by percentage and homepage setting. This way you can actually set up all the homepage, right? Okay, add new slider and can services like sidebar, banners, right? Okay, reviews also, right? So this way you can add the review. Okay, you can add the new review here, right? Okay, so this is the description of this create the review. Okay, so further up there's others featured like menu page setting, okay, email setting, okay, yep, the email template also, yeah, it's an email configuration, yeah. So you can configure SMTP, yeah, and send mail or SMTP, and put in the SMTP host, SMTP port. You can set up your SMTP group mail, yeah, okay. So you can send the group mail and payment setting also. There's a payment information, payment gateway. Okay, it can be set up here also. Currency also can be set up. Social setting also, social link and Facebook login. Okay, all this can be set here. Language setting and SEO tools also come together for build the products, things like that. Right? Google Analytics also, and this manage tab subscriber also here, right? So this way you can download your subscriber request. So there's a way you can actually integrate inside the store itself to integrate with this autoresponder, whereby you can actually and you can actually capture the name of your customer inside this store itself. So that is basically what it do in this whole idea of this Magnum. What exactly what it's trying to do in this Magnum is basically is a store builder, which is catered for two key product. It could be physical product, it could be affiliate product, right? Okay, so you can have both physical and this affiliate product, okay, or with this all this info product also can be also been sold inside this store itself, right? So let me quickly go take you through to this my Magnum's review and bonus page also, right? Okay, so let's also take a quick later have a quick go to this sales page itself, right? So Magnum is a 100% automated store with 99 traffic source. I can show you can actually share this store to the 99 traffic source. No hosting, there's no domain name, the on case store builder make this perfect for newbie, right? Okay, so basically this, let me take a look into this Bengata Lamana, and this front end is a $17. It's going to be launched tomorrow. Okay, so basically Magnum is the world's best automated store builder with free buyer traffic, right? So it have a built-in buyer traffic whereby you don't have to figure out how to get the traffic to your store, right? Okay, so also this is funnel, $17, and they have OTO 1, OTO 2, and OTO 3, 4, and 5. So basically the front end Magnum let you customer build beautiful automated store, and also come complete with line for your go store and plus traffic from 99 different traffic source for within the app. Okay, unlimited is you can let you custom build an unlimited store and run unlimited traffic campaigns also, right? Okay, so done from you this upgrade teams will run for you traffic and sale for your customer, right? Your customer will be able to activate all the activation tool within the Magnum. Okay, there's some automation tools are built in. I think this is what you're trying to say here. This some of the automation tools. I think we can see SEO tool, right? The popular product. Okay, so all these tools can actually be implemented inside this store itself. Okay, so let's go back to my reviews page also, right? Okay. And there's other OTO like automated editions and Magnum machines. You can set up a funnel for your customer on the hosting with their account so they can build a list and make money. So this is set up a funnel, okay, for you on your own hosting with the account so they can build so you can actually use your own domains and your own hosting, okay. So this is a whole funnel, okay. It's good autoresponder integration, squish page setup, and also for email added additional also the traffic tutorial, right? Okay, beautiful automated store. Okay, so this DIY store set up a fully functional custom store for use, right? Okay, the custom store. So this is a run from user 197. This is a machine. This is a funnel for you on your own hosting, right? Okay, so I will suggest you to actually to take the front end code and to unlimited because you can unlock you can build more store and have unlimited traffic campaigns also, right? All right. So this is my review about this. Come with the free buyer traffic for 99 so in one click, right? Okay, so this is something we have seen before, and this is going to help you to get a lot of traffic from the store, right? There's a store builder come with the non from the traffic source. Okay, so this is no outdated traffic source, but it's contemporary our traffic source mostly is on the social media, okay. So three step also a step purchase this Magnum, and you can log in, select from the preview and from new store, right? Okay, and click go to brush your store to 99 source of the free buyer traffic for just in 30 seconds on that, right? Okay, so these are some summary of this feature of these Magnums, right? So one click store builder and for your store, right? And free buyer traffic also. There's some I should put up some demo video here, right? Okay, so one looks at 10 over 10 my recommendation is to, if you like to come up your own e-commerce store, we can actually have both physical and also the info product, right? So it can actually make money from both physical product or from this info product from Warner Plus or JVJU. I think that is the best what Magnum is able to offer to you here, right? So let's take a look into my bonus here also. What are the bonuses here I'm going to give to you? First thing, I'm going to give you my exclusive tips. This is a short video, this is a video my sharing about what are the tips, some of the tips how to make money with this Magnums, right? Okay, and also I have also prepared a couple of very high qualities traffic software, and also first thing you're going to get my own product PLR work. You can download 6,000 PLR ebook and video. They can actually make money out of this PLR's material, ebooks and videos. Imagine you can have a 6,000 PLR ebook video. Either you can actually blend it or resell it, or can actually give it away as a bonus as well. So that's the idea. This one of the very first my products. You can get these bonuses when you actually buy the front end plus any or OTO. Yeah, okay. So another my own product DIY money. This is going to get 50,000 make money on the subscriber to promote any offer. And again, this is on the if you buy any front end and any other OTO. 50k DIY bonus package. This is more like it's a bonus pack. We can actually have a bonus page, a bonus delivery page, all bonuses. You can actually use this to as when you want to give away something, when you are actually promoting affiliate or your own digital product, you may want to add these bundles of these bonuses into your affiliate product or digital product. So they come with a bonus special. You can easily sell your product by using this as one of the tip method also, right? Okay, so also we have the Smarty Builder. I'm also giving to you a e-commerce site builder, right? Smarty Builder is an e-commerce site, right? Okay, you can create e-commerce site, track sales and manage payment using the Smarty Builder. It's very similar to Magnums, but there's no harm you have another store builder. And at the end of the day, you can have a set up more different store by using these tools also. Right? Also, we have a funnel kit builder. It's like a click funnel. You have to pay $99 per month, but this 350k funnel kit, we have made 250k, and in this funnel kit builder you are going to get the sales page, funnel page, delivery page. Is all in one. Is a kit for you to build a funnel, right? Okay, right. So first 5 bonus you will be getting with any front end or any OTO. So the OTO, as I suggested to you, the front end and the OTO1 is going to unlock all the feature. So even you take the 17 and 39, it's just a 50 plus only, and you're getting a really complete suite of the e-commerce store builder plus my bonuses here. Okay, right. So the other bonuses is come together, is also really high quality. We have this affiliate marketing training course, whereby you can actually make 10,000 online following with this simple business principle, right? Okay, you're going to also have this SmartSlide Pro, this another very high quality bonuses, right? 1,600 presentation and marketing virtual template, easily that you create high converting and decks and also video in minute, right? In this smart is another video question app for more traffic lead and sale, and we have the BotEngage trouble question app for more traffic lead and sale also. OutReachr is another wallet traffic cloud app. We can actually build up your traffic, wallet traffic onto your any of the website or page you are promoting by using, or your blog, right? Okay, by using this OutReachr is another cloud app. And also you will also be getting affiliate store builder. Okay, SnapEyeshop is a affiliate store builder, right? Okay, so you're going to get another store builder from me under these bonuses, and we have this free traffic, 15 traffic method you don't know. So this is going to complement the 15 free traffic, going to complement with 99 traffic inside here, the Magnum one. So whereby this can actually do a social share, right? Okay, to this 99 sub traffic source, right? Okay, so this is another big chunk of free traffic source you may have not been heard before, but you'll be getting a lot of value from this information, this piece of bonus itself, right? Okay, this is another really exclusive training how to make money on the without you selling anything, right? And Jono TikTok traffic app, and also we have this Jono Instagram traffic app also come under this. So most of this is a traffic app to help you to get more get you more target traffic and get lead and also get sales, right? Also we have this 200 very special bonus giveaway. If we click here, we can actually have a view of to this, right? Okay, so let's quickly go through here. You can see inside this bonus bundle, you're going to get about my 3,000 email short killer subject headline, email marketing video training course, and 100 traffic app also as part of these bonuses, right? And you're going to get a line from your opt-in and lead magnet capture page template. And the best part is you're going to get a video training course, active video training course, which is all previous product from Jono and Blending is also part of the bonuses here. You are going to benefit a lot from this bonus because this is a product they have been sold thousands of copies for each of it, and you're just giving you will actually get from me just for free when you actually pick this Magnum via my link below the video, right? Okay, so that's it. So click the link below this video. You are going to come to my review page here, right? Just click on this orange button and do a purchase. It will take you to this Magnum's. Okay, this page is sales page will be ready by tomorrow itself, right? Okay, so just have a quickly take a look into this preview page of this what is inside. Basically have a look into this the preview of the sales page. So this is what you're going to see here.
Said, within every crisis lies great opportunity, and it's 100% true if you look beyond the doom and gloom.
Okay,
you'll realize more.
So the sales page is a bit noisy, sorry about that. So that's basically what this Magnum do, right? Is a store builder, overall store builder that cover both the physical product and also the info product, and have all these payment gateways, all the social share links, all the customer profiles, list maintenance, all these list buildings, and also integration with the auto display. Everything is come under one big platform of Magnums, right? Okay, so this is what you have to, and I believe this kind of store builder is going to benefit you, especially during this pandemic season when people is a lot of people is saving online to actually to buy product online, and that is a really good business to start with. This having an online store can cater for more physical info product, right? Okay, so by using this tool, you're able to make a lot of profit from selling the physical and the info product as an affiliate, or as you yourself as a project creator also, right? Okay, thank you very much, and I hope you do enjoy my presentation, my walkthrough today, and do click the link below this video and lock now the early bird price of Magnum together with my mega pack of the bonuses, right? Thank you very much. Bye.